up, Diamond Squad? It's your guys, another Diamond King. I'm back doing another video. This is the first time seeing my face. Make sure you guys go ahead and click the subscribe button and all that good stuff. Also, make sure you guys check out my previous videos. It's in the cards until the end videos. Also, check out my second channel. I do have a new video on there. I might have another video on there by the time this gets out, honestly. But definitely go check out my second channel. It's all in the description box, and check out my previous videos. So today I'm doing another makeup inspired look. I'm doing a Naruto and Sakura. I was just gonna do Naruto. I'm like, you know what, let me do a little bit of both. Let me mix it up a little bit. So I have a Naruto palette from ColourPop. Trying to get over here. So this, and it does have a little bit of the color story for all three characters, actually, for Sasuke, Naruto, and Sakura. These are mostly Sakura's colors, this and that, and then you got a little bit of Naruto and Sasuke colors in here. So Naruto is the colors for here, like yellow, blue, like this orangey color, which just realized this like an orangey red color is not in this palette, so I'm gonna have to dip into another palette for that. And then of course you have white. So I'm gonna start off with the Naruto side. I can't use this for lighting right now, y'all, because I don't know where the chart is. I don't know where to put it, so I'm gonna have to be recording my videos in the morning or when like the sun is out type of thing, because at nighttime it's gonna be like a no-no because I don't have any lighting right now. But yeah, if you hear that, that's the fan that's on. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna start off. There's all these shimmers here, so I'm gonna go into my Glam Light Ice Cream palette. So this one, this is the Glam Light Ice Cream palette. So I'm trying to see what's close enough color to start with, either orange or yellow. I think I'm going to start with the orange, use the blue shimmer and a yellow shimmer. So I'm gonna start with the shade Pumpkin. It's the closest to his clothing. I'm just gonna blend that out into the outer corner of my eye. I don't know if I said excuse my nose already. Like, my nose is in that healing process because of that bump on it. So let me blend that out. This brush blends this out very, very nicely too. You have a nice one. I can't talk. You guys can't really see it because I don't have lighting right now. But at the end, I'm gonna use my other phone, flash. So yeah, I can really like see it like that. Okay. Now I'm going to dip into the blue shade. So I'm going to go with, should I dip into blue? I'm going to dip into yellow first, actually. So this is my Pop-Up Girls. I'm going to take my Pop-Up Girls brush, and I'm going to dip into the shade Lemon in here. It's like a shimmer shade. And just put that right here. You're gonna put the blue in the middle. I haven't used this palette in so long. I forgot how pigmented this was. Also, Naruto is one of my favorite anime shows to watch. I still I'm totally far behind. Okay, now I'm just gonna dip into the blue shimmer in the Naruto palette and just go. I don't know why is it not picking up on this brush. It's not picking up how I want to on this brush for some reason, because I've used this palette before and that shade never gave me a problem. Yeah, and there's no royal blue color. I guess I just gotta pack it on there. Yeah. My first time using a SHEIN brush too, so I take the orange again, kind of blend it out. Y'all, this hair, when it got wet in the rain, I had to wash it, blow dry it, and then straighten it. And it's like really soft right now. Really soft. Okay, that side is done. Now let's do Sakura. I thought she was red and pink before, but her outfit is like a burgundy color, which is in the ColourPop palette. So I'm just gonna start off with that, and then I'm just gonna be using pink and stuff. Okay, so this is what I've done so far. I've done some flowers for Sakura side, but side down I put a little bit pink here, a little bit yellow here, put my L'Oreal mascara, and now for blush I'm gonna put this Pink Lady. Gonna put this on the Sakura side. This is my Juvia's Place. I should have put the blush first, then do the flowers, but let me just hopefully not blend them into the flowers. Okay, and before I put the powder on top, I'm gonna go into my e.l.f. Camouflage liquid blush. This is, what shade are you? This is Coral Crush. This is another type size. Yeah, I've been breaking out like crazy. Like, I'm breaking out all right here for some reason, and it's like very annoying. Like, I don't know if I'm just allergic to something. I don't know. Alright, now for the powder, I'm gonna go into the ColourPop powder. This is the shade Text Me. I'm gonna go over that on the pink side. My blush maybe sitting low right here because of the fact that I didn't want to touch the flowers. And then I'm gonna go into my Glam Right Garfield blush duo and use the red and the orange. I'm just gonna dip back and forth between them two. That's a lot. Shoot. Need to calm it down. Oh boy. That's way too much. I calmed it down a bit. That was like way too much. Highlighter. Just gonna go into my Glam Light Pina Colada highlighter. I don't think I'm gonna put highlighter on the Sakura side because the flowers are there, so just gonna. That's way too much highlighter. Oh my god. Way too much. I probably don't even need highlighter, to be honest. I feel like the blush would have been just fine, but we're just gonna blend it out and make it work. Alright, so for lips, I'm just gonna combo these out. These plays cocoa chocolate lippy, and then this is Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow Fantasy lip gloss is like the orangey color. So I'm just gonna combo these out. So just put that. And then put this. Oh, my god. Put on the spots in the eye. Not too bad. If I had made it like more towards like a lip liner type of thing, probably would have been better. But let me get my other phone, I think. And let me see how it looks like with the lighting. So, oh, it's kind of look cute. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling a little bit. So, y'all let me know what y'all think. I think it's pretty nice. I didn't really do the flowers that good. You can't really see them because they're like almost the same color as the blush shade itself. But I think this is pretty dope. This don't really look like burgundy for some reason on my lids, but I tried. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a like, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. I would go right a window so you guys can see too, but the sun is not really out because I think it's gonna rain today. I hope it doesn't because I'm going out today. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.